Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. The next person that you will hear is Shavez. And as you know, Shavez generously comes to share his knowledge and to enrich your learning and earning potential on Fridays. So I hope you have your notebook and your pen ready because he has got a lot of information to share with us. So here is Shavez. Thank you, Shavez.
Thank you. Thank you, Grace. Welcome everyone to UK.
Recording in progress.
Today is Friday and we are here to learn and take something home and understand and unfold new things around AI and blockchain. So I'm here well prepared and also more educated to educate you guys around our ecosystem and what we are doing and how it is going to impact. But before I do that, I need to get my iPad co-hosted. It's done. Thank you, Grace. Okay, till I get that done, I'm going to discuss about the basics and then we will follow along and understand how impactful ecosystem we have created and what sort of benefits are we going to realize with the existing setup that we have got, and with 9pay coming up and boosting and bringing back value to the BTCC ecosystem, how we are going to realize everything. So I'm going to draw and show you guys how it will work, and unfortunately I could not do it in Indian prime time, but yes, I will do it here. So today you guys will have utmost clarity of the connections between inter ecosystem. Why can't I share my screen on iPad? Okay, I'll join again.
Okay.
Anyways, let's leave it, no problem. I will try to be interactive and I will open one blank slate on my computer and I will write. Okay. All right, perfect. So today we will understand the basics. Like last week we discussed about, and I gave you guys a little demo also of an AI that can talk like humans, that will eventually talk like me as Shavez AI with you guys, and that will solve the problems, the personal problems that you have while operating in our ecosystem, and also professional problems that you have in your day-to-day life, like organizing calls, responding to emails, ordering a cab, planning a trip, or arranging something that is very easy for you to automate. With AI, you will be able to do a lot of things. So basically, AI, artificial intelligence is of different types. So on the basis of capabilities, AIs are of three types. First is the narrow AI. Second is general AI. Third is super AI. Don't feel like I took you guys back to your college or school. Okay, this is just to explain. And this is really, really interesting. This will clear a lot of misconception, and this will establish a very high level of clarity to understand the products that you are seeing in the market. Okay, this is not at all going back to school. Don't be scared. Okay. Okay, so, and I will not write nothing. It's okay, just listen, understand. You guys will think I'm asking you guys to take notes, get into class. No, 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 nothing like that. Okay, so narrow AI, as the name and process suggests, the particularity, or you can say the peculiar functions that can be provided or that can be performed with the AI, where AI does not and cannot perform out of its abilities, is the narrow AI. Where, let's say we built Boomerang. Boomerang can only suggest you the pairs which are available where there are mispricings, and on the basis of mispricing you are acting with a smart contract. You are triggering a flash loan that is generating profit to you in arbitrage. You are executing that trade, but AI at its level is presenting you information, narrow information. Like you click, you give one command, generate picture of Joe holding Shiba like this. So that narrow AI will generate Joe's picture holding Shiba token like this. Uh, this is the work of narrow AI, which is particular. And every narrow AI, or you can say native AI, uh, tries to become general AI. Okay, so this is actually AGI, artificial general intelligence. Okay, so let's take an example to understand this. I built an AI which can talk to you like human, which can have pauses, which can understand what you are saying, and then give you responses on behalf of your voice uh, prompts. Everything in AI works with prompts. You all understand this. I think last 18 to 18 months of using ChatGPT, you understand AI works with prompts. Whatever you prompt means orders. What is a prompt? It's an order. Request to AI. How precise is your prompt? The action is going to be that refined. If your prompt is very accurate, then AI will perform really, really well. But hey, understand, if your prompt is also stupid, but the AI is performing in a very appropriate way, that's the artificial general intelligence. I believe it makes sense now. So let's say I developed one AI that can talk to you, that can have conversation with you. But if you are talking bullshit, if you are saying, ambiguous things, half you are saying half of the things, half you are not saying, It is not able to grasp information, but also with half of the information it receives, it is giving you accurate response. It is giving you complete information even if you are not able to furnish and provide the proper prompts, right? And that's where artificial general intelligence comes. So it is the advanced version of artificial intelligence where a narrow AI can perform different things at once. It can shape and reshape itself. Okay, let's take an example of Boomerang. Let's say Boomerang is now able to give you insights of the market trends, fetching information from different sources, collecting it, turning it into database and providing you in real time, you know, instantly. Okay. So your ability to receive information is giving you ability to act on it. Imagine Boomerang, the narrow aspect of Boomerang becomes AGI, and it becomes even smarter. Let's say it has seen 3 bull runs, and after the fourth one, uh, you know, you have some interface where you are getting pips or signals, or you are getting market analysis. Hey, it can be like, hey, Chavez, US elections are coming, and last 4 US elections, or last 2 US elections, the crypto has been influenced, and the volatility was in this sequence and order, and based on the results and based on the market condition right now and the mandate in United States, I believe, this is Boomerang telling you, Boomerang believes that Bitcoin is going to face a lot of volatility during this period. So it's better to trade. It's better to keep buying and selling every day, because this bumpy ride is going to give you guys cumulative, effective profits that will be more than the value of Bitcoins that you hold. And that would be impressive, right? It is doing something extra that you did not ask it to do. So uh, we have to, uh, and this is very scary as well. This is literally scary. So you go to an astrologer, okay? Now this AI is talking to you. Shavez AI is talking to you. Shavez AI is giving you information. Shavez AI is giving you booking taxi for you, sending flowers to your wife, sending flowers to your husband, doing your scheduling your meetings, doing everything. And one day you call Shavez AI, or you're chatting with Shavez AI, and it tells you, uh, hey David, don't go out today at this time. Your stars are not aligned. Or it can say, don't do this on this date, because this is not good for you according to astrology, according to the stars at the time you were born, and your ideal number according to the numerology. It will suggest to you few things. You will be shocked, and you will start to follow and believe, and that's where the control will start. So this artificial general intelligence will start to become super intelligent. This is where I think is going to be a clash, between the two realms. So, and that's where the breakthrough will be, when AI will start suggesting. Even right now, we can see there are some AI tools which offer relationship advices, which offer emotional support, which, I mean, for men, I don't know, but for women, it is like, I mean, please don't judge me, but it is like, if someone can listen to them, it's very good. It's the best if someone can listen to women. Uh, that's everything. So AI listens and then it responds, and it also provides emotional support in terms of what? In terms of explanation. So the level at which the artificial journal intelligence will enhance into the super intelligent artificial intelligence, super intelligence, AI, that will be the breakthrough. So that is where we believe we will be able to see a lot of uh, you know mentally manipulative AI tools, where all these uh, astrologers, all these fortune tellers, tarot card readers, they will lose their jobs. Their industry is finished. And I'm not talking without any logic or information. We have tested a version of Shavez AI to tell your fortune. So you understand, it has more data than a human brain can process at a time. It can collect all the information from different sources, and it can tell you, hey, it is not good that you are wearing a black t-shirt always. Make sure you diversify with number of colors in your life. It's not good for you according to your numerology, and that's what your stars also say. So it will be super accurate. You understand, because everything is mathematics. Astrology is mathematics. It is numbers, and the calculative ability of AI will be phenomenal, because now it has moved from the narrow artificial intelligent abilities to artificial general intelligence, and then it has become super intelligent AI. So this is a a level of stages in which we will see AI evolving. And hopefully in next 2 weeks I will give another demo to you guys, not to scare you guys, but yes, to tell you guys, to show you guys this is how it is evolving. And this is how see, I'm literally legit scared. That's why I'm working on all these projects myself, and I'm creating all these projects, because I know uh, if I will not create, the technology will start uh, you know uh, shaping my way of working. So I don't want the future or growth to lead me towards victory, but I want to lead myself towards growth, and that will be the victory. So you understand, there are two approaches. So everybody has to select sides. I have selected mine. I have realized that it is really, really important to take quick decisions and move with what is going to happen next, and understand and learn more about it, and also educate you guys about it, so that every one of us, we are at least already there, before we understand that it is out of our hands, out of our control, and we know how to control it. That is the key. So we should know how to, control everything. Okay. So now coming back to our ecosystem. Uh, okay. All right. Who all harvested from last week? Come on. Who harvested from last week till now? We have been taking head count. We have been checking BTCC price. These are the superheroes of our community who are harvesting every week at least once. And that is giving power to Bitcoin code. Amazing. 22 people. Cool. Only 22 people harvested? 25? Come on. We are proud of you guys. Okay. 22. Okay. Close to 25 people. Most of them are not here. I know. So many people harvested. So BTCC phenomenally moved. Last week, what was the price? What was the value? 66.4. When we were taking head count of who harvested, who did not harvest, and I told you guys, come on, we need to harvest, otherwise it will be slow. So you all started harvesting. So many people harvested. This was last Friday. And in between, we saw BTCC touching up to $69 as well. Who saw BTCC at $69 this week? Who noticed? Many people noticed. Amazing. Amazing. This is the power of Bitcoin code ecosystem. See, many people, most of our community members, you have brought your 9-pay cards using BTCC. You sold your BTCC, you bought 9-pay cards, right? And instead of aggressive buying and harvesting and doing everything, everyone is happy. Everyone is, not everyone is harvesting, but everyone is selling as well. Today, the price is right now 67 point. Let me check the price right now. $67.53. This tells us that you harvested. The people who harvested, BTCC took off. Some people sold also. Many people sold, not some. Many people. Close to, I guess, $500,000 worth of BTCCs were liquidated from last week when 9-pay sales started. $500,000 worth of BTCCs were liquidated into USDT BTC20. Then also you see the price rising from 66 to $67 from Friday, and before this was 64.7. I have been taking logs. Okay, this was So last Friday was 6th. I have very interesting thing to tell you guys, but let me log this data. 6th of September. This Friday was 30th of August. And today is 13th of September. So understand, in this whole process, just because you guys harvested, made everyone win. 500,000 worth of BTCCs were liquidated. People bought the 9-pay cards, secured their 9-pay cards using USDT BTC20. Then also the value increased because you harvested. If every damn miner harvests just once in a week, okay, so Amit presented a calculation and somebody calculated, I think he was presenting in Indian prime time, that if the whole mining database harvests with $100, the liquidity, on-chain liquidity, will grow up to 2.5 times. That means 2.5x of 67.53 US dollar. This can be the price if all the miners who are mining, regardless of what they are mining, if they put 100 USDT BTC20 and harvest, the value is going to be this. So it is very important to understand the power of the ecosystem. Everyone is happy, everyone is buying packages, then also price is increasing because you guys are harvesting. In between, when you guys were not harvesting, when I was not on every Friday here, maybe 1 or 2 guys or maybe 100, 200 people were harvesting, the price was set at $69, $68 for a long time, $65 for a long time, right? I think last 3 months it was from 65 to 68, 69. And everybody took advantage of BTCC in buying Boomerang licenses. Everybody took advantage of buying more miners. Everybody took advantage of buying 9-pay cards. Then also the value did not go to $10 because it is strong. It has on-chain liquidity. So next week, I want more people to buy 9-pay cards using USDT BTC20, but I also want more people to harvest. So the price we see at hopefully $70 next week. It is up to you guys. Okay, what will happen? How we are going to see our ecosystem? So with 9-pay, what you will get? You will receive cash back on spending up to 3%. I'm not promoting 9-pay cards here, okay? Don't worry. This is pure understanding of the ecosystem. You get 3% cash back in USDT BTC20 when you spend using your 9pay card. Then you put this 3% USDT BTC20 to harvest. But before you do that, you have onboarded new users now. You sold 9pay cards to them. They also need to buy miners under you, right? Because they are getting USDT BTC20. They need miners to mine and then they can harvest. So your sales of miners are going to increase even more. I don't have my iPad, otherwise I would have drawn this properly into a structured representation. So it promotes miner sales. So when the miner sales are promoted, the hash power grows. And what happens when the hash power grows? There are new miners in the ecosystem, so the difficulty increases. And less BTCCs are given to every miner. You can mine even lesser, more competition. So price also grows and the value, the scarcity mechanism
Shavez, can you log on with your iPad?
Sorry?
Do you wish to log on with your iPad? It's not logged in.
Yes, but I don't think I can share. I will check. I will test and
Okay.
next Wednesday I will continue.
Okay.
Okay. So the scarcity mechanism is the key. So when you have an asset that we are giving to every user on the spending, that is promoting your sales, existing members' sales. So these 9pay users, come on, you guys will receive USDT BTC20. You know what to do. You will harvest, you will make more BTCC, but the new users, there will be millions of 9pay users in no time. I know this. Because it is utility, it is a financial instrument. These people are going to buy miners from you. Sell them miners. Make money. Make a lot of money by selling miners. And the bigger benefit is when they buy miner and start mining, the value of BTCC grows. Because less BTCCs are given to more people. Lesser and lesser. Scarcity mechanism of Bitcoin. Same. And you know, when these people who are mining, you guys, you are mining, more new people who are mining, they get BTCC, what they will do? They will start staking BTCC inside 9pay app. So you have to connect the dots very properly. Selling 9pay cards right now, sell 9pay card. User buys 9pay card from you, they receive USDT BTC20, they come back to you. They ask, what is this? Then you say, this is USDT BTC20. This is Tether on BTC20 network. Okay, what to do? Buy miner first, then I will tell you what to do. They will buy miner. They will, before they start mining, they need to buy BTCC. Using USDT BTC20, they can go on swap, they can buy BTCC using USDT BTC20. Ask them to buy BTCC first. When they will buy BTCC from the swap, the price will increase. Liquidity is going to the swap now. Every freaking action is making all of us win. Trust me, every action is making us win at every end point in our ecosystem. What we have developed together, I will not take credits. It's you guys who influenced me to bring this ecosystem into place. And what we have developed together is something phenomenal. One place user gets in, price increases. So they buy BTCC, they start mining. Now they have the gas fee to stake their miner to the node, because before even starting to mine, they need BTCC. And if they don't have, then they go on P2P, escrow trading platform. They buy from you where you have listed your little chunk to make your pocket money, right? There they buy BTCC, or on the DEX they buy BTCC. Then they start mining. The moment they start mining, difficulty increases, hash power grows, price grows. And then they harvest. More liquidity comes into ecosystem. And when they harvest, they will have BTCC. They will ask you what to do with BTCC. You will say, go to 9pay app, stake your BTCC, get up to 12 to 18% staking reward every year. Don't sell your BTCC. This is going to be $5,000 in next 2 years, in next 3 years. That's where our ecosystem is going to exceptionally perform. But this I cannot do individually. You guys have power to do this. We have come so far with both of our helps. I did a lot of work. I created everything. I delivered the technology to you. I gave this whole ecosystem. We have the services to do this, right? But now you have to train people. You have to tell people this is 1, 2, 3. And all the trainers, all the hosts who are holding Zoom sessions, they should educate their team. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we need to do. So there is no shortcut. This is the only way. And if we will lead with this way, we have seen Bitcoin doing so many X's. We will do even more. All right. So that is it from me. Hope you guys understood. And I will be there on Wednesday with next updates on Capital 3.0 with Boomerang, and I will also manage to announce date of release for Capital 3.0 even before. Our tech is ready. We are testing. We tested everything. We are revamping the tech, doing everything to ensure that we provide very good ecosystem, smooth ecosystem for you guys to understand and do it, onboard new users. But yes, you have to work very hard now. I'm not saying I've done everything. I have been doing so many things. I will do even more. But now you guys have to work hard in order to push this forward. And this leap is going to be very, very big. This is going to change your lives, my life, your life, all of our lives. Thank you.
Shavez, thank you so much for this education. Thank you for your innovations and your heart in always bringing it back to WAS community. Thank you because the education that you provide is enormous, just enormous. And thank you for your patience in doing that.
I wish I can sell subscriptions of Shavez AI to the whole world. Even at let's say $10 each, I will be a billionaire in in a year or something.
Shavez, before we end, sorry, Grace, can you give us a quick update on Boomerang, please?
Sure. So today is 13th, and we got all the services resumed by Polygon. We are now testing them. If everything works good, we will go live tomorrow. If there are necessary changes, then on 15th, we will go live. Everything is done. Everything is on track. We see everything well. All the services are functional. Now we are integrating testing with our app.
Amazing. Thank you. Over to you.
Excellent. Thank you. And will Shavez AI be able to cook and vacuum?
There are vacuum cleaners which are automated and which roam around your house. So it can be connected with it, and it can command time to time to these vacuum cleaners to clean your and mop your home.
I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to get my Shavez AI. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Okay,
Friday. Thank you. All righty. Everyone, that concludes our event for today. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for taking your notes and for